Hey guys, it's Tony from the Rusty Shovel here, and today I just wanted to talk to you quickly about how to do a scale drawing for your irrigation system that I'll be designing for you so that you can put it in yourself. First and foremost, I don't want you to stress out about this. It's not overly complicated. I don't need you to be super exact down to the last quarter of an inch. If you can get it within half a foot or a foot, that's perfect. Granted, the more accurate your design is, the better my design can be for you, but if you're within a foot of just about any obstacle, you'll be in good shape for when you put your system in. So first and foremost, what I would recommend you do is you would do a rough sketch of your yard. So draw in the perimeter of your yard, maybe draw in the outline of your house, driveway, any immovable object, so large trees, hedges, bushes, even transformers or power boxes in your backyard if you have one of those as well. If you just make note of those on the drawing, so that when you do go to submit your drawing to me, I know what I can avoid watering just so we're not wasting water. Second thing I would have you do is then you would take measurements of all of those perimeter edges, the walls of your house, around the trees. Just take some measurements of that. You can use a measuring wheel or a measuring tape, whatever you have handy. And then from there we're going to transfer it onto some graph paper. Now the graph paper is essential for me to design, just so I know direct proportions of your yard and how each sprinkler is going to work. So the best way I find to go about doing that is if you have a measurement, let's say from your house to the side of your fence is 16 feet. That's easily divisible by 4. So then you would, on your graph paper, your scale would be 1 to 4. So every square on that graph paper would be 4 feet. So if it's 16 feet from your house to your fence, that would be 4 squares that you would draw on the graph paper from your house to your fence. And you would just work around every measurement that you have taken for everything else, trees, the rest of your fences, fire hydrants, like I said, any immovable object. Use the same 1 square is equal to 4 feet. And then once you're all done, submit that to me with your email address, phone number, name, water flow, and PSI, so your pressure that your water's coming out of your house, and we'll be off to the races. Thanks. Bye.